Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if your mobile data is not working on your LG G6. First, you want to make sure you have mobile data enabled. You can do so in the quick settings, make sure data is turned on. Alternatively, you can go into settings. Here in networks, you can make sure mobile data is turned on. If, however, you still have trouble with it working, you can tap on here. Make sure maybe limit mobile data usage isn't turned on, because if it is turned on, then it might limit your usage. You could try going into settings here, mobile networks, make sure preferred network mode is set to best if you leave it at 2G/3G/LTE auto, because there might be areas where 2G only won't work. I doubt there would be areas where they don't have 3G networks, but it could also be a possibility, so just leave it at this option. Make sure your access point names are the proper ones that your mobile data provider says are the ones that you have to use in order to have access to the internet. If they aren't, then you can add a new one by add APN right here, giving it a name and setting all the options as your internet service provider is telling you that it should be. You could also look into network operators and just try to just select automatically, which could potentially help you. If it all doesn't work, then you can also just try resetting your mobile data, turning it off and then back on again. And remember that if your phone has Wi-Fi enabled, it will prefer to use Wi-Fi over your mobile data. So if you want to use your mobile data instead of the internet, you can just turn off Wi-Fi or disconnect from the network. If all of this doesn't work, you also may want to make sure that your SIM card is properly inserted. Another thing you can also do is turn on airplane mode and then turn it back off to maybe help reset some stack settings. Or you could also try resetting your phone by pressing and holding the power button on the back, then choosing the power off / and restart option, and then confirming. You could also go into settings, general, scroll down to backup and reset, then network settings reset, then reset settings, draw your pattern or input your password and then reset settings. This may reset some settings that you may have accidentally switched that could potentially be causing issues. But if all of this doesn't work, you may want to contact your carrier in order to verify that your data plan is actually enabled or that you have a data plan at all. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.